Hello? Are your routes and replenishment processes still on paper? Are your schedules on a dry erase board? Do you want a way to easily capture that information to improve routes and replenishments? Introducing the Credo e-Kanban Toolkit, a digital lean process for visualizing bottlenecks and workflow weaknesses. The Kanban method is a well-known process developed by a Japanese engineer in the 40s. Did you know that Kanban actually means card in Japanese? The Credo e-Kanban digitally transforms the stages of the Kanban process to do, doing, and done, rather than paper cards. Color-changing columns visually display routes. Automating routes and replenishments. The Credo e-Kanban Toolkit creates opportunities for ownership at all levels. Supervisors are able to create easy-to-use schedules. Team members are able to visualize their progress as they work through routes. With transitioning color-coded columns, management is able to clearly track the efficiency of routes and replenishments. With the Credo e-Kanban Toolkit, supervisors will appreciate the ease of scheduling with customizable options for multiple locations and shifts. With the administrative dashboard, adjustments to workflow can be quickly updated for route and replenishment needs. With the Credo e-Kanban Toolkit, each team member scans their badge to begin a route. This provides an extra level of accountability for the routes. Barcode numbers are listed for clear confirmation of each item needed for the route selected. With the Credo e-Kanban Toolkit, each team member can clearly visualize work to do, work in progress, and routes completed. Color coding gives real-time notification of route movements, warns of impending delays, and also provides confirmation of completions. Increase efficiency with the Credo e-Kanban Toolkit by identifying areas that need improvement. A customizable dashboard displays lead times, cycle times, work in progress, and completion percentages. This data is downloadable for easy reporting. The Credo e-Kanban Toolkit provides flexibility to strengthen your metrics and build on your competitive advantage. The Credo e-Kanban Toolkit improves how production parts, nuts, bolts, and more are gathered, automates route and replenishment needs, and streamlines scheduling, tracking, and reporting for management. The Credo e-Kanban Toolkit, a digital lean process for visualizing bottlenecks and workflow weaknesses to improve metrics of routes and replenishments. Scan the QR code to connect with a technical representative. The Credo e-Kanban Toolkit